AI marketing automation. How artificial intelligence can help your business to scale up and to change the game. This is Luca Papa, founder of Digital Coach. And if after the video you will have more questions, comments, or you need help, you can use our free resources in the description, and you can even ask a free one-to-one consultation with our staff. Now, what is it, AI marketing automation? It is automation powered by artificial intelligence. So that means that in marketing, we have always been looking for the opportunity to automate every task. Because if we automate our marketing, we can reach more customers, get more customers with lower cost. So that's the general idea. How artificial intelligence is changing marketing automation. The main difference is that we have been using marketing automation tools in the last 5-7 years, more or less. And they're very useful because they automate some tasks that can be repetitive, and they can save us a lot of time. But the main limit is that they are not intelligent. So that means that you have to forecast every possible action of the customer, and then give a possible solution, a step to the software that you're using in marketing automation. I want to give you 2 examples. Let's see, for example, you have a chatbot, and the chatbot in a marketing automation tool, you can automate the chatbot, and you can instruct him and teach him. If the customer is asking you a pricing list, you give this pricing list. If the customers don't want the pricing list, you have to do this action, and so on. So you have to give him instructions step by step of every step that he has to follow in each of the customer choices. With AI, everything is different because you give AI a huge amount of information about your company, your products, your services, what you do, and how you want your funnel over the chatbot be managed. And AI is intelligent, understand what is the question that the customer is asking, understand what is the best way to answer the question. So you don't have to, to estimate, to forecast 2,000 possible scenarios to program than your chatbot. You just teach the chatbot what he needs to know about your company, and he will handle everything alone. How can artificial intelligence help your business to improve your automation, marketing automation? Is in advertising, especially. In advertising, to tell the truth, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn itself, they have been using a lot AI, and they are making giant steps in the AI direction in the last 2-3 years, especially now. What are they using AI for? For targeting, first of all, and for giving you the right customers at the right time. For targeting, what I mean, they can have an idea of any single customer preference, choices, or their typical journeys and so on, and they can help you to target the right customers, understanding automatically what is the message that you want to bring them. So for them it's enough to know your message, to know what you are doing, what is your product, your service, your message, and then the advertising platform are more and more skilled to give you the right customers for that kind of strategy. Then the next opportunity that artificial intelligence gives us is the opportunity to customize the customer experience. That means that for each customer you are able to build a specific content, a specific answer, a specific solution, as long as it is a digital content, a digital answer. So For example, a customer is coming to your website and asking some information. A well-instructed chatbot can understand what kind of customer we are dealing with, what is the buyer persona that we are dealing with, and provide him a very focused answer based on all the interaction that the chatbot had with the person. So how can AI help you also in your social media activity? AI can automate the process through which you can produce short form content using long form content. So that means, for example, you have a 10 minutes video. From that 10 minutes video, you can automatically create with AI 10 short videos with all the subtitles, with all the captions inside the video, and everything is automatic. Then let's go to AI marketing automation platforms and tools. There are thousands of them. To tell the truth, one of the main new skills in the AI era will be to know all those tools and choosing the right tools for each kind of need. So instead of you trying to use 1000 tools, you will have one specialist who already tried all those 1000 tools and will give you the solution as long as it's your consultant. Then what kind of tools and platform do you have in AI? You have tools and platform for doing everything that's possible in marketing, but not just in marketing, also in sales, also in customer support, and so on. So there are tons of tools. Some of them are good for creating copywriting. Others are good for SEO. Others are very good for image creation. Others are very good for video creation. Others are very good for email marketing activities. Others are very good for preparing presentation, and so on. Everything that you can imagine you can do in your marketing, there are the right tools for that. Now, what are my predictions on how AI will change marketing automation? My idea is that we will more and more delegate to AI our marketing. So that means that in the future, we will have to tell AI just what is our business, what are our buyer personas, what are our typical customer journeys, and AI will do all the rest. You can imagine the fact that right now we already have some AI technologies able to build a website in just a few minutes instead of months. Okay, in just a few minutes you give them a goal, you give them a structure, you give them just the main instructions, and he will create for you an amazing website. So the process will be the same for your entire marketing activity in the future.